Friends, it looks like there's a new police station in our town. And look right next to it. There are so many police cars there, and they're here every single day. These police cars, oh, they take care of everything in our town. They patrol the streets, the squares, the parks, the train stations, and any highway that you and your parents would drive on. Many other places in our city too. Also, these cars are used by the police to drive so fast, right to any incident that's going on. However, for everyone else, the speed limit in our town is 40 miles per hour. But what's this? A car that's clearly moving way too fast. We better go chase it, see if we can't catch a criminal. Here we go. We're so close. We've almost got him. Hooray! We caught up to this criminal. Now I think we need to have a talk with him to let him know that he cannot break the speed limits on our road. Not in my town. Not in Bambo's town. Now that we've caught him, let's keep going to patrol our city. Look! What's that over there? It looks like this car is broken down on the side of the road. We should help him. That's what the police do. Let's call a tow truck. No, what's that? Look out! The car's lost control and flew off the road right into a ditch. But it looks like our police cars can't get down there, so what do you think we should do? Can we get down there to help? You are so smart, that's right. This is why we have our police monster trucks. Come on, guys. We need our police monster truck to help. This car was in an accident. He fell off the road. We better help him by pushing him right back onto the road. Hooray! We did it! And now we can go on and once again control our city from more criminals. What's this? Who's in that blue car? Did he just run a red light? I think he's going too fast too. Well, before we have time to think, we better go on a chase. Goodness, he's a wily one. But our police are too smart for him. They've chased him down and surrounded him with their cars. There's nowhere for him to go. Our criminal is caught. Yay! Hello, friend! As you can see, our city now has a hospital, police station, a fire station. No city can live without them.
Emergency call! Emergency call! There is an accident on the highway. The truck turned upside down and is now on fire. Traffic on the highway is blocked. Hurry up!
Looks like we need to reconstruct the timeline of our events. Thanks to video surveillance cameras, the ones that watch, we can do it easily with their help. The truck was moving to the south, but while moving to the left, the truck's wheel hit a rock and the truck overturned several times. Wow, look at it roll. We better call emergency services, but it looks like they're already in place. It's time to get to work. Police block off the traffic. Doctors provide emergency medical assistance to the driver of the truck. And the firefighters put out the fire. Great! The fire is extinguished. It's now time to call a tow truck. Super! We did it! And now it's time for everybody to go back to their places. Firefighters are sent to the fire station. Police go back to the police station. And the doctors go back to the hospital. Friend, it looks like we now have a fire station and a police station in our city. stretches way around our town. And you know, a lot of different animals live there. Wowie zowie, that's incredible! The forest has caught fire. Hurry up! We need to call the firefighters. Servicemen and servicewomen are already in place. It's time to get started. But oh no! Our fire trucks can't cope. It's necessary to call in the reinforcements. You need to call the firefighters' rescue helicopter. The helicopter is the best tool when our fire brigade deals with forest fires. Hooray! The fire is extinguished. Now our heroes get to go back to the town and get some much needed rest at the station. Everybody, in our last series of monster truck adventures, TJ, Minnie, Woody, and Sally asked for the police to help them to find this evil monster truck. Oh, he makes me so mad. And also, just for the police, we upgraded one of their police trucks to make them more effective and help us to find and thwart this dastardly evildoer. How cool this is!
This police monster truck is wicked hardcore. I think our heroes need to open their own service station with a garage so they can do all their own tuning, making their cars into monster trucks. And here's the right place to build our monster trucks of justice. Let's take a look and decide what construction vehicles we may need to help us. I think we'll need a crane, a dump truck, and of course, a tow truck. But where can we find all these construction vehicles? It is necessary to get around the city, so let's look for the construction vehicles here that are working to help people get around. Let's go on and look for a dump truck. Friends, we really need your help. We want to build a service station where we can fix cars, trucks, do tuning, and anything that we need for this town. Hooray! Look, it's a crane. Mr. Crane, we really need your help. We want to build a service station where we can repair our monster trucks, modify them, and build them up. Yay! The crane agrees to help! Come on! Here's the tow truck, too! Mr. Tow Truck! Mr. Tow Truck! We need your help, too! Will you help us to build a service station? Yeah! The tow truck agrees. Our town is so friendly. It's time to return to the construction site. Let's set the cones to mark the boundaries of our construction site. Let's start with the walls. All done. Now the roof. Harambe! We did it! Now all that remains is to hang a sign. Now, we need to prepare all the different car parts for tuning. Wheels, bumpers, and all the tools we'll need to put those on. It looks like we're ready, but who's going to be the first one to test out our new station? Mr. Tow Truck, why don't you give it a try? He agrees, so let's begin. We start with a suspension. It needs to be very reliable, as this is what holds the car together. We remove the old one and install the new, which is so much more powerful. Let's set the big wheels. It looks like the medium-sized wheels will fit just right. Excellent. Finally, we need to establish a special bumper with the grill. Now, to set a new one. More durable and aggressive as well. Yes! The tow truck monster truck is finally ready. Woo-wee! Look at him. He sure is cool. In our last episode, the monster trucks went on their way to the Super Mega Race. But before it started, they decided to stop by the gas station, where Sally just didn't seem to get enough gas, and because it was on their way. Only due to Red the Truck and his gas can did our friends have an opportunity to continue on to the race without any more stops. You know, it looks like there is a road under repair up ahead. How can we get around it? Well, TJ, take a look. There's a detour up ahead to a side road. Oh, that's great. But where do we go now? There's no other arrows. Sally, I remember that you have a GPS navigation. Let's see where this road leads. Ah, you're right. It is better to look at our destination from the sky. Look. The first one goes into the forest. This second rose goes to the lake. And if we take that one, we will just not get to the super race in time. You know, I think that third road may be the best. If we drive along this road, we can go around the other road that is under repair. Minnie, come on and catch up. Easy, sugar. Monster trucks, please be careful. Oh no! It looks like TJ got a flat tire. TJ, did you run over a nail and get a flat tire again? But, what do we do? We don't have any extra tires to fix it. I think we need to call our friend the tow truck, who has a cell phone. You know, Minnie, you must look in your trunk. You always have so many different things in there. Oh yeah, I remember. I think I did put it in there. Let's look. I have a doll. Some nesting blocks. A flasher. Oh, look, there it is. The cell phone's in here too. Hello, tow truck? Our friendly monster truck TJ has gotten a flat tire. We need your help. Hello monster trucks? Where can I find you? You know, we drove to the neighboring town along the main road, but stumbled across another road that is under repair. Then, we followed the detour and are at the next crossroad. It looks like we chose the first road on the right side, which leads to the neighboring town around the main road. Okay. I think I've remembered the way. I'll be there very soon. Here is our tow truck friend. He found the way to us so fast. Hooray! Tow truck, you are so fast. Let's load up TJ and find a service station in the nearby town. Let's go! Hello, monster truck. Do you think you could tell us a place where the closest service station is? Hey there, friends. Well, just go along this road here. At the end of the street, you'll see it on the left side. Get your help there. Hello, monster truck mechanic. We need your help. Our friendly monster truck TJ has gotten a flat tire.
Of course I can. No problem at all.
First, he takes off the big flat tire, but now we need to choose a new one. This one's too small. And this one's too big. But this one right here, that looks like the right fit. Super! TJ, you're ready to go. Tow truck, thank you so much for your help. And now we can continue on to the super race. Hello, friend. Today our town has incredibly sunny weather. Wow. Oh, but wait.
What do I see over there? Oh no! It's a fire! A house is on fire. We should call the fire brigade. Friend, do you know what number you need to dial to call the fire patrol? That's right, 911.
Emergency call! Emergency call! A house has lit up on fire. Please come as fast as you can. Emergency call! Emergency call! A house has lit on fire. Please come as fast as you can.
Because of a light gust of wind, the fire has spread onto the water tower. Oh no! What should we do? Due to the fact that the water tower fell, our fire trucks cannot get to the fire. Let's try to stop the fire from a distance. It looks like the water does not reach where the fire is. How can we cope with this problem? I think construction vehicles can help us. Let's choose two machines that can help us. Can a concrete mixer help? Or a crane? Or maybe a tractor? Maybe the road roller can help us? Or a truck? What kind of construction vehicles can we call for help? Correctamundo! The crane and the truck with the trailer. The crane and the truck with the trailer. We ask you for your help. Quickly come to the rescue! Look at how well they do! the fire is extinguished. Let's thank our heroes. Thanks, guys. But for now, my dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Come and visit me later. Like this video with the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.